Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how I can fix if the Windows search is not working on your Windows. So in the Windows search bar right here, if you cannot type anything in the Windows search because this is not working, then that could be very annoying. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is you need to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Again, it's Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Or you can simply make a right click at start button and from the list of options, click on run. Type here services.msc. So if you click on OK, this will open the services window. Now in the list of services right here, we are going to scroll down to W as these are arranged in alphabetical order and look for the Windows search service. Now once you find that, this one, make a right click. So before we are going to make a right click, just simply make sure that you have this option, stop the service or restart the service. Now make a right click and then select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. So if this is already running, click on stop and click on start again to restart the service. Now once done, click on apply and then OK. Then close this window. Then we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated, as outdated Windows can also be one of the cause for the issue. So click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for Windows Update. Then here you have to do what it suggests, like check for updates, download and install all updates, or simply click on restart now. So once you have clicked on restart now, your PC will be restarted, and after that, all the updates will be downloaded and installed into your Windows. So make sure that your Windows is updated. For the next method is again, you need to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type here task mgr. Click on OK. And this will open the task manager window. Now here in the search bar, type Explorer. Now simply make a right click at Windows Explorer and then select restart. Then close this window. Then for the next method is we need to click on start button and go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on privacy and security. Scroll down and you'll find searching windows, search indexing for faster results, find my files, folders excluded from search. And then scroll down and you'll find indexer troubleshooter. Now, in the search and indexing troubleshooter, you will be asked what problems do you notice on your Windows. So you can select all that apply. So like can't start a search or see results. Check this. And then you have to click on next. Now, there are no issues or issues might be found troubleshooting with administrator permissions. Now, in your case, if you are given suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue, then you just have to simply follow what it suggests in order to fix the issue that you are facing. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.